Nicole's. Welcome to my channel. I'm Devonna Nicole. Thanks for joining me today. So guys, today I am going to be unboxing the Sephora 25 Days of Beauty Must-Haves. This box costs $85 at Sephora and it has various products on the back, makeup, beauty, skincare, of different brands in here that are pretty popular, and we're going to see what they gave us in this advent calendar. It is that time of the year. Normally by October, mid-October, these advent calendars starts popping up for all these different brands. So guys, I wanted to share with you what is in the advent calendar in case if this is one of the things that's on your list or you're thinking about purchasing it. You'll know instantly what's in it and can make a decision. So we're going to get right into this unboxing shortly. If you're new to my channel, welcome! Please feel free to subscribe and you can stay up to date with me on all my latest unboxings. If you enjoy makeup, beauty, skincare, as well as you're a handbag lover like me, this is the channel for you. You can hit the notification bell and it will keep you up to date when my next video drops. But without further delay, guys, let's go ahead and check out this Sephora advent calendar. So guys, when you open it, it opens like this. And you can see all the numbers in here for each box. So we'll go one by one and figure out what's in each one. And I'm taking you guys along for the ride. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so I have popped open box number 1. And it looks like we do have looks like a perfume or something in here. So let me just pull it out. Okay, so we have the Maison Louis Marie. This looks like a perfume oil or something. Yeah, perfume oil is what this is by Maison Louis Marie. So let me smell this. I actually haven't smelled this one. I don't know. I'm still out to lunch on this one. It doesn't smell strong at all if you've never smelled it. I don't know, this perfume oil doesn't seem, it seems like maybe I probably need to put a lot on. I just did a small roll just so I could test it, but it's nice. I've never tried this, so that's pretty cool to try out. So let's hit up number 2. And number 2, guys, is going to be right up here. Alright, so guys, I pulled out a Laneige sleeping mask. I've been dying to try out this Laneige product. I keep hearing other influencers on YouTube talk about how great this is on your lips. So this is the lip sleeping mask. I can't wait to try that. Okay, so we have the clear brow gel, and who is this? Oh, it's by Anastasia. I love their products. So this is the clear brow gel. I think I may have tried this before. I'm trying to remember. Nah, I probably don't remember well. Yeah, but that's the Anastasia clear brow gel. So let's hit up number 4. Number 4 is right here, guys. And we have Briogeo Scalp Renewal. This is the Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. I don't think I've used the shampoo. I have used one of their leave-in conditioners, and I did like that. So this is a 1 fluid ounce of the shampoo here for Briogeo. Briogeo. Whatever. So we are on to number 5, guys. Number 5 is over here. We have Burberry's perfume here. And which one is this one that they have here? This is a small bottle. Burberry Her. This is 5 milliliters of the Eau de Parfum. So that's cool. I can't wait to try that one out. I've never smelled this one, I don't think. It has a real light scent to it with like a sweet floral note on it somewhere in the end. So it smells pretty good. I like that. So let's try our next one. And we are on to number 6. Number 6 is over. So guys, for number 6, I have Summer Fridays, and this is their jet lag mask. Okay, so this is a jet lag mask. I haven't used this before. This will be my first time trying out their product. So let's go on to our next product. So we're up to number 7. 7. Okay, so number 7 is over here, guys. So let's hit number 7. That smells nice. So this is Giorgio Armani My Way, and I'm actually glad that they're in little bottles. I hate when you get like the little sample sizes, so I feel like it really is the product if it's actually in the bottle. So this is the My Way perfume by Giorgio Armani, and I love perfumes. That smells really good. I like that. That smells really good. Okay, guys, so we're going to go on to the next thing. We are on number 8. Number 8 is back on this side, so we're going to hit number 8. So we have a Ole Henriksen product. I always butcher their name. I don't know why. Yeah, Ole Henriksen product here, and this is the Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum. We have a, what size is this? A 7 milliliter size of this product to try out. So a vitamin C serum, I love those. So I can't wait to try that one. And we are on to number 9. So, okay. So for number 9, we have my favorite mascara, which is Better Than Sex. And they also gave us a lip injection product, Lip Injection Extreme by Too Faced. So these are both two Too Faced products that you have there, the smaller sizes for you to try out. Great for traveling. I've never tried the lip injection, so this will be my first time using it. But I like Too Faced products, so that is awesome. And our next product so guys, we have the Brazilian Crush product here, and this is 62 pistachio and salted caramel. This is a hair and body fragrance mist. I've never smelled this before. What does this smell like? Oh, it's a nice light scent, actually. A little florally, not bad. I like it. So guys, we are going on to number 11 right now. So number 11 is right over here. So I'm going to pop her open and you can see what's in that one. And we have a Wishful product in here, guys. And I'm familiar with Wishful. I've used their the moisturizer. I really enjoyed that, but this is the enzyme scrub called Yo Glow. So I've never used this before, so this will be a nice size kind of to try out, see if I like it. Let's find number 12. Okay, so number 12 is right on the end here, guys. This is Replicas. This is their perfume Beach Walk, and this is the Maison Margiela fragrance that they have in here for Replicas. It really smells nice. That smells really nice. I'm really liking that. But I love the little miniature bottles. I love that. So that is so cute to me. I like stuff like that. So we're going to go to the next one. That was number 12. So now we're going to find number 13. So number 13 is right here, guys. So let's pop open number 13. And this is number 13, guys. This is the Suwaso First Care Activating Serum. Suwaso. I probably am butchering the name, guys. I'm gonna be honest with you, but I've never heard of this product before. It says it's a serum. I love serums, so I'll be happy to give it a try, but I've never used this before, so I'll be glad to try it out. And we are on to number 14. Number 14 is right on the end here, so we're going to pop that one. Oh, guys, it smells so good in here right now. I really like that Maison Margiela Beach Walk. That's the one I'm really smelling right now. It smells so good. Okay, guys, so this is number 14 here, and I always butcher this company's name. Is it Necessaries? And this is their body lotion. I did just get their body wash on my last Fab Fit and Fun, and I really do enjoy that when it has a nice fresh scent. So I can't wait to try out this body lotion here by them as well and see if I like that. So that was number 14. Number 15, guys, we are up here on the advent calendar. So let's pop open number 15. And we have a Dr. Dennis Gross product, guys. You know their stuff is expensive. So this is the Alpha Beta Peeling Quinidine Formula Intense. So this is extra strength daily peel. I do like doing peels. They're good for helping to get rid of any dark spots that you have. If you're trying to clear up some spots, these peels work great. So this one here is a 2-step peel with 7 acids to help smooth fine lines, minimize the look of pores, improve the appearance of uneven skin and texture. So this has 3 treatments in it, and they look like this. So this is how it comes for the treatments. I think this is cool. I can't wait to try this. That was number 15. So let's find number 16. So guys, number 16 is right over here, and we're going to pop that one open. And we have another perfume in here. Okay, which one is this? We have, what is this? Dulce. And it says by Rosa James. I never heard of this before. Oh, it doesn't smell bad. Yeah, it doesn't smell bad at all. It's in this little tiny bottle. And again, I've never heard of this one before. This is a new one on me. And what did we say this one was called? By Rosa Jane. That's what it's called. Yeah, by Rosa Jane Dulce 3 milliliters. And that smells nice as well, guys. We are on number, where are we at now? Oh, that was 16. We're on 17. Okay, so let's go and get it together. 17 right up here, guys, on our calendar. Okay. We have Supergoop product. I haven't used, I've heard great things about this Supergoop. So this is the glow screen here, and it's an SPF sunscreen with 40. I've heard good stuff about this product, even from dermatologists. So this is something I definitely want to try. I hope it doesn't leave a white cast on me, but I heard this stuff was good. So I can't wait to try that one. And number 18, we are back on the other side over here for number, okay, oh, Belief. I love Belief. I love all of their products. They make great products. This is the True Aqua Bomb. This stuff is the bomb. If you suffer from dry skin, this is my lifesaver in the winter time when the weather is frigid. This stuff is wonderful. I use this at night after I put my retinol cream on. I'll put this on right behind it. Oh my God, this is wonderful. Try it out. You gotta try this. This is good stuff. I like this, so I'm happy about that one. Number 19 we are on. Number 19 is back over here, so we are going to pop that one open. What is it? Oh, a Lancome product, Monsieur Big. Okay, I believe this is the mascara, right? Yes, this is the Big is the new black mascara. So guys, I haven't tried this one out before. I can't wait to use it. I have used quite a few Lancome products, and they do make really good stuff, so I can't wait to try this one out. So that was number 19. We are looking for number 20. 20 is right over here, so we're going to do number 20. Is this Valentino? This looks like, yeah, it's definitely Valentino. Valentino, this is Voce Viva. And it's a 7 milliliters. I haven't smelled this before. Ooh, that one smells nice. I like that. So Valentino. I like how it's made too. Very nice. I love these little bottles here. They are so adorable. So we are up to number 21, guys. And number 21 takes us back to this side. So let's pop out 21. Okay, guys, looks like we got a Clinique product here. This is, what is this? Is it a lip product? I'm sure. Yep, a lip product. And that's what it looks like. And so, Almost Lipstick and Black Honey. That's what this color is called for the Clinique lipstick. So, I like colors like this, so I can't wait to try that one out. And number, where are we at now? Who did I just rip off? I ripped off 21. We are at number 22. 22 is right here, guys. So let's try number 22. So we have a Claudel product here. And this is a serum, Vino Perfect. I have not used this before. I heard this brand is really good. Radiant Serum. So Claudel. product here, and Radiant Serum. I can't wait to try this out. This number 23 is over here, guys. And this one's skinny. Oh, what is this one? All right, guys, we have Grand Lash MD. This is a lash enhancing serum. I've never heard of this company before or used this product, so I can't wait to try it. So little lash serum here is what we have, and that was number 23. And let's see what number 24 is. Almost missed it. Number 24 is right here on this side, so let's open that one up. We have a Tarte product, and it's called Double Take, and this is in the color black. It's a pencil, it's an eyeliner, so it comes like this. So I'm just going to show you guys. So this is black. I haven't used this before. I hope, is this waterproof? I don't know, it doesn't say. Just a liquid eyeliner. So that is number 24. Number 25, my friends, is right here. All right, and we have a Laura Mercier product, guys. Look at this. So we have the Pure Canvas Primer. I have never used the primer. I've used the Laura Mercier translucent powder, but I haven't used the primer, so this would be cool to try. And it's a hydrating primer, by the way, just so you guys know. And we have one more to go, guys. We have the bonus one that is over here, and that'll be the last one in here. Oh, we have Sephora gave us a face mask. This is the Lychee face mask here. And you get one mask in here. So this is the box. We went through everything. We have perfume, makeup, skincare, serums, mask, lash serums. I would say I'm pretty pleased, because just alone, you know, if anybody that buys perfume, you know, even if you buy like small samples of perfume, this is more than you would get in a free sample, definitely, for this size, for the My Way and for Valentino right off the back. The Balm, this is a nice sample size if you've never used it before, but if you're somebody with dry skin, you will love this. And then you have the serums. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with what was in the advent calendar. A lot of well-known brands. Love Too Faced. Been dying to try the Laneige products. So I get to try out a lot of things that I haven't tried. I get to have perfumes that I haven't purchased, and also try them out and have them in my collections. But guys, let me know what you thought about this 25 days of beauty advent calendar here by Sephora. Did you think this was a win, or did you think I waste my money? Let me know in the comments below. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Bye!